Okay, today we're going to look at these three robots. We have the Top Gun Cop, we have the Top Robot, and we have the Chromed Crusader. Again, it's carrying on with the same theme that we've been going on with the Mighty Robot, the Super Robot Rangers, all those variations. Basically the same robot, just in different colors, different box. Again, we're talking Happy Kids. And we could check and see if there's dates on some of these. This one gives the lowdowns of the functions. Well, at least this one shows a little picture on the bottom of how to get the battery box open. It's a real bitch to get open. It even has a little picture. So that's different. Let me look on the back. Not really anything of any value there. Has a nice chrome job and gold plate job. Still the shuffle walking with the ratchet feet. 2 AA's. I believe it still probably says Happy Kids there. Got a sticker. Still has some printing down on the crotch, which I can't get the camera to focus in on. And the Chrome Crusader down here is a little bit different. I'm checking to see if it has anything. The Chrome Crusader is dated 1992. And it's a little bit different in that they added a button on the chest so that you can play the sounds without having to walk. And they also show how to get into the battery compartment. But other than that, it's the same robot. Has a nice gold plate to the whole thing here. It's got the button there. Seeing if there's anything different here we want to talk about. You can see the batteries would go in there. And Top Robot. Let's check Top Robot. I'm looking, well, 1992 on Top Robot. Well, he's got a whole spec sheet here on the back because he's the top. I don't know why. Top Robot has the sticker like we saw on the pearlescent Super Robotic Rangers. Same lights, same guns, same shuffle walking, ratchet feet. Looking on the back battery box. Still says Happy Kid. So nothing really different there. Let's make enough room. And we'll power it up. So it's all the same functions that you saw in the other versions of it. So there we have it. A slew of different robotic fun. We have Top Gun Cop, we have, which is here, Top Gun, and Chromed Crusader down on the end.